The 11th Parachain auction on Kusama will begin next week on Wednesday, 6th of October. Now, as per Bill Laboon's latest tweet, Motion 362 has passed. An 11th Parachain auction will be held starting next week, Wednesday, 6th of October. And before we begin, if you're new here, my name is Claudio and this is CryptoChain, and I bring you crypto news, reviews, tutorials, and interviews with a focus on the .sama ecosystem. And today, I'm going to bring you the latest updates from the Kusama auctions as well as some news from Shiden Network and PolkaDex. So please watch till the end to not miss anything you may find of interest. But to kick things off with the important stuff, which are the Parachain auctions update on Kusama, we can see the 10th auction kicked off, bidding has begun, and as expected, Parallel Heiko are in the lead with just over 201,000 Kusama contributed to them. Following closely is Kintsugi, who have actually reached their 200,000 Kusama cap, and which unfortunately means that we can no longer contribute until the end of auction 11, but on the bright side, you can be pretty much guaranteed that it'll win auction 11. Now, unless PolkaSmiths come from behind with over 200,000 KSM contributions, of course, and you know what that could mean? Well, you can expect chaos. Also, thank you very much if you have been using my referral link for Kintsugi or any other crowd loan during this second batch. Has been of great help to further fund this channel so I can continue to bring you great updates. And to move on from the auctions and look at the updates from the parachains themselves, Shiden Network have tweeted that they're testing DApp staking, and in 1 or 2 weeks, we'll see this go live. Aside from this, a number of DEXs have also launched on Shiden, QuickSwap and Free River, and MoonSwap is also on the way. And just before we move on, I'd like to take a moment to thank today's channel sponsors, BitSwap.dex, for sponsoring this video. So let's watch this short clip and then we'll continue on.
BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap will get you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.com.
Next, PolkaDex have kicked off their first phase of the mainnet and is going through various stages. Now, it's great to see that the team are keeping their promise on delivering the roadmap milestones on the same dates as they've mentioned in a previous article. One of the most important stages is the swap between the ERC20 version of the PDEX token on Ethereum over to the substrate version, as well as staking. Staking can be done in the same way as you do on Polkadot or on Kusama, simply by connecting to the live network of PolkaDex in Polka.js, the web wallet, and clicking on network and then on staking. Now, I have done a tutorial in the past on how you can stake, so check that out. It should pop up on the top right hand corner of the screen. But of course, once all of these stages complete, we should see the PolkaDex DEX go live. Being the first DEX with an order book on the .sama ecosystem, it will be bigger than many things. Just think of it, the IDO platforms will be launched on it, as well as various tokens from the .sama ecosystem. We'll finally be able to have a fully functional DEX to perform those quick swaps directly from our wallets. That's been it from today's short video. I'd like to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.